Good morning. I'm Jen Amos at Weiss Research.
I'm Andy Myers, and this is your morning market alert for Thursday, January 6th. Stocks on Wall Street look set to continue their upward momentum in the wake of yesterday's blockbuster employment data. ADP reported that 297,000 private sector jobs were created last month, the biggest increase on record and nearly triple the number that economists expected. Today, investors are digesting the latest weekly jobless claims figures, and tomorrow brings the closely watched government jobs report. Following yesterday's ADP reading, economists boosted their estimates for job growth in December from 140,000 to about 200,000. Unemployment is expected to hold steady at 9.8%.
Retailers are getting a lot of attention today as they release their December sales figures. The numbers will be trickling out throughout the day, but so far the results seem a bit underwhelming. Costco reported 6% sales growth at stores open at least a year, slightly lower than Wall Street estimates. That stock is losing 2% on the news. Shares of Gap are tumbling nearly 7% after it reported flat same-store sales. Analysts had been expecting a gain of 2.6%. Target is also sharply lower in the pre-market. The discount chain posted December sales growth of less than 1% versus a forecast of 4%. Macy's also missed estimates, sending those shares down nearly 4%. However, one big winner in the retail sector was Pier 1 Imports. Its same-store sales jumped more than 10% in December, nearly double what analysts were expecting.
Another sector that's sure to be in focus today is technology. Microsoft CEO Steve Ballmer kicked off the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas with a keynote speech last night. He talked mainly about the company's new Kinect gaming technology, but also confirmed that the next version of Microsoft's Windows operating system will support chips made by ARM Holdings. That's sending shares of ARM soaring more than 7% in London. Meanwhile, Nvidia is rising another 3% this morning after a nearly 8% jump yesterday. The company announced that it will start making core PC chips in addition to its graphics chips, a major strategy shift. One declining tech stock this morning is Research in Motion, down more than 1%. The maker of the BlackBerry smartphone unveiled its Playbook tablet computer, but said it won't hit the market until this summer, which is later than expected. In addition, the device will only be available on Sprint. Analysts and consumers were hoping Verizon or AT&T would offer service as well.
We continue to watch the energy sector today. Crude prices are holding steady just above $90 a barrel. Meanwhile, BP, Halliburton, and Transocean are all gaining ground after a presidential commission finished its report on the Gulf of Mexico oil spill. It concluded that the worst spill in U.S. history resulted from a failure of management at all three companies. But investors seem relieved that the investigation is over, despite the findings. Shares of ExxonMobil are also higher after Oppenheimer upgraded the stock to outperform. That's the latest from Weiss Research. We'll be back after the opening bell with all the market reaction.